Good morning friends, today it's 5th of March 2025 and the technical outlook for Nifty and Bank Nifty for intraday and short-term time frame is as follows. So yesterday Nifty futures opened at its lows 22,100 odd levels and thereafter it consolidated within a very tight range, making a high of 22,237 before ending the session marginally in red, down 0.3% at 22,191 levels. So overnight we are getting mixed cues from the global market. If we see the US market, it has tanked down once again back and ended the session with a deep cut. But at the same time, we can see that the dollar index has slipped down from highs of around 107, 108 few weeks back to current 105.68 levels, which is positive. Even the bonds are trading at crucial resistance levels. Is slightly slipped down to the lows of 4.25 US 10 years bond. In respect of the commodities, we can see that the crude oil prices are stable to negative and down. So these are positive triggers for the Indian market. At the same time, as per the price study, Nifty 50 index is around strong support zone of midterm 21,800, 22,000 marks. So as mentioned earlier, we continue to hold the outlook that trading over and above 21,800 mark, the index should witness pullback. The pullback has a strong hurdle at around 22,500 followed by 22,800 mark on a weekly time frame, and this pullback can materialize once Nifty sustains over and above 22,300 odd levels in days to come. So overall for the day today, we can assume that once again the index can be within a range. There can be some kind of range bound session once again, but overall for intraday holding over and above 22,000 mark Nifty spot, one should look to play the index with a range to positive outlook. We can see some kind of buying interest in selective mid cap and small cap. So the broader market is trying to revive from the deep cuts which it has witnessed in last few weeks to months, and trenches of delivery buying can be visible on or can be seen on the charts. So we have to be very selective because the trend is still range to down. We have not seen any kind of reversal signal as of now, but there are some kind of contra buying interest in the market visible. Yesterday, Bank Nifty outperformed Nifty. It ended in green, up 0.27% at 48 to 45 levels. There, 47,500, 48,000 remains important, holding over which it can be within a range. But yes, on the higher end too, it need to sustain over and above 48,800, 49,000 mark, below which the bias remains range to down. So it's both Nifty as well as Bank Nifty are stuck within a range, and we have to wait and see how things pan out in days to come. Overall, as per the price study and other cross asset segments indicators, we can expect some kind of pullback attempts in the market in days to come. One can be selectively long in the counters, and especially small cap and mid cap segment it is witnessing some kind of decent buying interest at the lows. So in spite of this, the major trend remains range to down. Pullback attempts and play can be looked for next few sessions. That's all for mine. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.